Okay, let's create an application to automate our email. You all might be bored reading all of your email at once. Today, in this video, let's try creating an AI application we summarize and read out unread emails to you. To create this, let's understand the workflow, how the data transfer. First, we will read the email from the inbox, extract the unread email and summarize it. Then we'll pass the unread emails to text-to-speech platform and finally read it out. Let's try this out. I have already created the script so you don't miss anything. Now you can follow along and I will try to make you understand every step in details. So, the step 1. This is the GitHub repo where all code lies. Open the terminal and type git clone name of the repo. I have linked the repo name in the description. After you have done that, move to the clone git directory by cd name of the directory. For this, it is cd gmail auto and create a working environment by python -m venb. After that, activate the working environment by source env/script/activate if you are in Windows, else source env bin activate if you are in Linux. Now let's install all the packages for the project. Install the required packages by pip-install -r requirement.txt. The requirement.txt contains all the necessary libraries required for the project. You are now ready. We need two keys for this project. One is Google API key and other is OpenAI API key. To get the Google API key, log into your Google Cloud with your account. After you are logged in, search Gmail in the search bar. Click the first link, then create a project, name your project. For testing purpose, let's create a project with name test Gmail. Wait for the few seconds. Then you will see something like this. After that, enable the API. You need to set the credential first to get API. To do that, click the credential tab and configure consent screen. Select external and hit create. Fill all the necessary information like app name, email and developer contact with the name you want. Then click save and continue. As we need not to set any permission for the user, let's ignore it for this and select save and continue. Again save and continue. Then back to the dashboard. Now let's publish our app. To get the API, click on the credential API key and this is your API key. But here we need different API to use Gmail. So select auth client ID. Drop down, select desktop app and create. Now download the JSON file, which is the auth token that we need this to get the permission for our Gmail. After that, this will be saved as credential.json. Then the next is OpenAI key, which is relatively simple to get. So I will skip it. Now let's go back to the Visual Studio Code. Open the .env file and paste your OpenAI key here. For the first step, open the terminal and type python validate_email.py. This will create us a token.json file with the permission of read and modify that we have declared in the scope. Now for the main part. The file min.py contains all the functions that we required for our project. The first function gets the email service with the help of token.json file that we have created earlier. Then we get all the unread emails from the category primary with the help of this function, which is get unread emails. If you want other categories like promotion, social, also to be shown in your unread emails, just remove the category primary from your query. The after and before, here is the date between which you want your emails to be summarized. This will only get the email between the date 11/23 to 11/27. After you get the emails, it contains data here referred as a payload and header. The header contains date, sender name and subject, whereas payload contains body and attachment if any. If there is any attachment in the email, it will have multiple parts. So this section checks if the payload have part. We will only extract the body from the payload and clean the text with the help of beautiful soup and save it. Then we will use GPT to help us summarize the mail using the prompt. In the prompt, we type or we assume that our assistant is friendly, where you just have check to see if there is any new noteworthy emails to summarize. If no emails are available, so let the user know that there is no new email. Ensure that your response works best when spoken and maintain a tone that demonstrates emotional intelligence. Then, finally, we'll mark the unread email to read and convert the summarized mail to audio using elevenlab API. If you are not aware about the elevenlabs, it is a text-to-speech platform with various language and sound. Copy your API key from the elevenlabs and paste it here. It will then save the or convert your summarized text to an audio and save it as summarize result.mp4 or mp3. Then finally, we will concatenate all the function and prepare our script. First, we get the service using the function getGmailService. Then we get the unread emails by passing the service of our one. Then we check if we have no unread email or len unread email equals to 0, then we'll pass that we could not find any updates for our email. But if there is an email, then we will read all the emails and pass to an GPT to summarize it for us. Then finally we'll mark the email read and convert our email or the text to speech and save it as summarize email.mp3. So let's test the project. Open the terminal and type python main.py. This will summarize all your unread emails and save a file summarized mail.mp3. You can just make it speak out. So the demo is this.
I'm sorry, Ashish, but I couldn't find any new emails to summarize for you at the moment. Rest assured, I'll continue to keep an eye on your inbox and let you know as soon as there are any noteworthy updates.
Now you can add other features like sending the summarized result.mp3 to your email in the daily basis. For that, you need to create other function and set a cron job in the Linux or buy a service if you are a Windows user to send or to read your email in the daily basis. I will be updating this GitHub repo frequently. with the service that I have mentioned, or any other feature if I find interesting. So that's all for this video.